In this movie, we will be focusing on program management. But before we can define program management, we first have to define a program. A program refers to a set of related projects that have been grouped together. Program management is the central management of these projects with the purpose of meeting the objectives of the program. As you'd imagine, a program manager is the individual that manages one or more programs. They may also manage multiple project managers who are each assigned to an individual project within the program. The purpose of a program is to benefit from managing projects together rather than individually. Let's look at some reasons that projects may be grouped together. First, they can be sub-projects of a larger project. For example, let us say that the project involves the build-out of multiple call centers across Europe to satisfy the need of a new large account. The projects will look fairly similar, but each will need to be managed individually since they'll have some unique elements, such as country laws, zoning requirements, etc. But on a higher level, they are part of the same project, which is the build-out of multiple call centers for a large account. Another reason may be that some projects may utilize the same resources. For example, let's say that a city renovation project has divided the undertaking into multiple projects within a program. The reasoning behind it is that a lot of the same vendors will be used, such as architects, landscape designers, and the same construction company. A third reason may be that one project may have a dependency on another. Let me give you a basic example. In our sample project here, we have a design and architecture of a hotel. One of the projects involved the hotel construction, while the other project involved the landscaping of the grounds. The second project could not begin until the first project was complete. A fourth reason is that they can mirror each other or a previous project. This refers to having multiple projects within a program that are repetitive, yet large enough to be separated into multiple projects. For example, launching a series of conferences in multiple cities. The process of setting up, planning, and holding the conferences will be similar. This can also be applied to the same projects that are held over time, such as annual fundraising events, annual conferences, monthly drawings, and so on. There are also strategic and business benefits to program management, such as an improved management, a higher chance of success, and cost savings. What I gave you here was a high-level overview of program management, and program management itself is much more intricate than what we discussed. This is one of the reasons that PMI developed a certification devoted to it, which you had a brief glimpse of at the beginning of this course, called the Program Management Professional Certification, or PGMP. For now, simply remember that program management refers to the management of multiple projects within a program.